Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to propose a trade. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To propose a trade in ESPN Fantasy Football, you can do it easily through the app or website. So to do it, head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option on the bottom and then entering your credentials. Then once you're inside the ESPN Fantasy homepage, what you need to do is tap on your football league. Then simply go to My Team tab, then tap the trade icon, usually a handshake trade button. Then tap on Propose Trade, then select the team you want to trade with, and then add the players you want to offer from your team to add, and then add the players you want to receive from their team. Once done, review the trade and then simply tap on send to submit it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.